If I had to delete every indicator on my chart and keep only 2 for 2026, these would be the ones. They're simple, highly effective, and together they give clean buy and sell signals, filter out noise, and keep you on the right side of the trend. Wait for the backtesting results and see for yourself. Watch the full video without skipping to find out the indicator names and our secret settings. During this video, we also will show you how you can access our top-notch private indicator, Algo, which tells when to buy and when to sell, thus giving you an insane advantage over other traders. Without further delay, let's dive into a secret indicator that literally every trader has missed and use it to build a powerful TradingView strategy. Please note that the information in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It should not be considered financial advice. Remember that trading with indicators involves risk. The indicator is a smoothed, volume-aware trend filter that blends a Gaussian pre-filtered, low-lag moving average with dynamic standard deviation bands. It identifies trends by measuring when price moves decisively above or below a VWMA baseline, filtering out noise while letting high-volume moves carry more influence than low-volume noise. As you can see, the indicator is very clean, with a single main line that defines the trend direction. And while some of you might think it's just a moving average with minor tweaks, that's not the case at all. The indicator relies on a highly complex formula to deliver accurate buy and sell signals. Everything begins with double EMA smoothing step to reduce initial noise before further processing. It then applies a small kernel Gaussian filter to avoid fake signals caused by price spikes. In the next step, the indicator computes a moving average where each bar is weighted by volume, so the baseline tracks only meaningful price moves. Finally, the indicator wraps the main line with bands that reflect current market volatility to define trends. With that, when the price closes above the upper band, the main line changes its color to blue, allowing us to go long. Boom! The price moved higher in a strong bullish move, locking in solid profits. In a bearish scenario, when the price drops below the lower band, the main line becomes orange. This means we can enter a short trade. Bingo! The indicator allowed us to capitalize on this massive downward move. And now comes the moment you've all been waiting for. To add this super-duper indicator, open the indicator window. Before we continue, if you want to support our channel and all this hard work by our team, smash that like and subscribe button. It takes just a second. Type simple VWMA smooth and choose the following one. Want to level up your trading? Meet Algo, our top private indicator, which can be used in combination with previously discussed indicators or on its own. This high-quality algorithm, which combines complex trading processes to tell you when to buy and when to sell, was developed to enhance your trading experience. You can use it on any time frame for different asset classes. So, if you want to access Algo to get results fast, all links will be in the description and the comment section below. Without this, Algo will put you at a disadvantage. We all know the urge to jump straight into the charts after discovering a new indicator. But let's first address the point where 99% of traders fail. Of course, we're talking about settings optimization, since even the most powerful indicators we've tested struggle with their default parameters. And today's indicator is no exception. Just look at this streak of false signals during consolidation that can occur if it is not used with optimal settings. For this reason, open the Inputs menu. We have a lot of work to do there. First, there's a DEMA parameter group, where we have the DEMA source, which lets you choose the data point the indicator uses to calculate the main line. Configure it as follows. The next parameter in this group is the DEMA length, which controls the mainline sensitivity and helps reduce noise in the early stages. Use higher values to smooth the mainline and reduce false signals. For the 15-minute time frame, we set the value to 47. Next is the Gaussian filter group, where we're only focused on the Gaussian length, which suppresses noise while keeping the trend structure clear. So, change it to 2. Finally, we have the standard deviation band group, where we set the upper and lower multipliers to tune bullish and bearish sensitivity. With that, change the upper multiplier to 2.4 and the lower one to 2.2. Keep in mind that setting optimization is only part of the process. We also need a strong trading filter to eliminate even more false signals. The confirmation we used is a state-of-the-art oscillator that gauges directional market strength through volatility-adjusted log return dynamics. Inspired by Cynthia Case's work on statistical momentum and price projection ranges, this distinctive indicator offers a hybrid framework that combines signal processing, multi-length sweep logic, and adaptive smoothing. With that, to validate a long trade entry from the VWMA indicator, the case CD area should display a green color. At the same time, to confirm a sell signal from the VWMA indicator, the case CD area should be colored red. Voila! Another set of false signals that remained after optimization was filtered out thanks to this indicator. To apply this overpowered filter, go to the Indicator tab, search for case CD, and opt for this exact name. Remember that filtering is effective only with the right settings. So, in the Inputs menu, change the smoothing type to RMA and the period to 22. And here are strong examples of both long and short trades following our recommended risk management rules, where we set a stop slightly below or above the latest swings and use a 1.5 to 1 risk-to-reward ratio as a target. To evaluate the strategy performance, we will use the Quant Capital Strategy Builder, our own breakthrough that generates backtesting data for any TradingView indicator in less than a minute. Just open the Builder's settings, go to the Set Long Conditions tab, select the parameter that matches the indicator's buy signals, and repeat the process for the sell signals. And now you can dive into all the data you need. Note that backtesting results are shown for educational purposes only. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Here are the initial results for Ethereum on the 15-minute time frame, using the VWMA indicator with optimized settings. And they're already looking very solid. We're seeing a really good win rate of nearly 61%, a solid net profit of 228%, and an acceptable max drawdown of 25%. Now let's see how the trading filter can enhance these results even further. So, go to the Builder settings, where our filter is already built in and pre-optimized, then activate it here. Voila! We improved the win rate to almost 76%, lowered the max drawdown to around 15%. And while net profit was slightly lower, it came from significantly fewer trades, effectively tripling profit per trade. Moving on, the strategy achieved 14 straight winning trades compared to 4 losing trades in a row. The equity curve looks very clean, and as always, we easily beat the buy and hold approach. So, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. It really motivates us to keep creating and sharing fresh content more frequently.